right, so at the Custom Shop, we have two different engraving sections. Why do we have it in two different rooms? What's the strategy?
So the strategy is we do engraving, and we were getting requests for customers to bring in their own items and for us to service their engraving needs. Now it got to a point that it was just stopping our regular production, servicing outside items to engrave. So we pretty much separated it. This is just solely for the Custom Shop's orders and engraving needs, and the other room is where we get in bulk orders of other people's stuff that we engrave. We're basically an outside engraving facility as well.
Okay. And one thing I really like that you guys do is you guys brand everything. I mean, somebody gets that, they know exactly where it came from, and I mean, whenever I buy an Apple product, whether it's a phone or I actually hoard my boxes because they're so high quality and I like to display them. So it sounds kind of weird.
To be honest, the bags and stuff like that is definitely part of our marketing budget every year, because people actually like these bags. They come in a variety of sizes. They go somewhere, they need bags, and whatever, you see them walking around all the time. Even when they go to shul, synagogue, and stuff like that, they definitely take that, they put their things in there, and so it's actually walking, people are just marketing for us as they're walking around.
I try to tell a lot of like restaurants and so forth, sell your shirts at cost. It's a walking billboard. Yeah. And anytime somebody's paying to market your business, you're winning.
100%.
And tell us a little bit more of, how you keep everything organized.
Right, so actually before Deco, and we had a little bit of an issue, or actually a large issue, was, for example, this order right now is everything's just on the receipt, on the bag. Now, if someone would call us up, this customer, Amanda, would call us up and say, hi, where's my order up to? We would have be done in the order. We have no clue where the order is up to. We have no clue it is engraved yet, not engraved yet, if it was wrapped, if it was shipped. We pretty much manually have to find out exactly what that order is. What Deco does for us is literally from when the customer actually gets that quote till the customer receives that item, we actually could look on the software and see every step of the way. And there's no reason why we use Deco.